Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $2914.165. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, we have seen a U pattern has formed. After that, we have seen that there is a chances that it is trying to go higher, because this particular pattern is supporting this trend. So if the price keep moving above a level of around 2918, a probability is high that we can see there can be a further upside. Okay, first thing. Second thing is that there is an opposite U pattern is also forming. So if the price started from going below a level of 2891, we can see there will be a fall, because a level of around 2880 is already being tested. So chances are high the price will fall below this level, and we will see it will go towards a level of 2867. So you have to keep that in mind. If the price started going below a level of 2880, we can see there will be a further fall. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. You can see clearly that dollar index is continuously going down. We have seen a good volatility in the dollar index, and it is making a sharp fall from 4-5 days, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, this is the pattern which is forming. So if the price started falling below a level of 103.3, we will see a further fall, and chances of touching a level of 101.96 will be there. If that moves further down, we will see it will fall below 100.6, and then it will go below a level of $100.4. Okay, and if the price started going below this level, then we can see a further fall. But if the price sustain this level, we can see it will touch a level of 104.6, and if that sustain above that level, we can see a level of 106.5, which is already being tested. So chances are high the price will move towards 107.21. Then a further upside movement we can see towards 109, and then to a level of 110, and then further upside. Okay, now coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, if you look at the gold price, chances are high the price can touch a level of $2918, and if the price sustain above this level, probability of going towards 2920 will be there. If the price started going above this level, probability of going above a level of 2927 is there, because this level is already being tested. So chances are high the price will go above a level of 2931, and then there will be a zone breakout. So chances of going towards a level of 2939 will be there. That is already being tested. So chances are high the price will go above 2948, and from there a level of around 2953, and then a further upside we can see towards 2956, and it can make a new all-time high. Okay, but suppose if the price, so once the price sustain over 2956, keep trailing your SL by $5. Okay, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can touch a level of around 2896. Okay, and if the price started going below 2896, a further downfall we can see towards $2892, and from there a further fall we can see towards 2881. This 2881 is already being tested, so chances are high the price will fall further down towards 2865, and from there a level of around $2858. Okay, and if the price started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see towards 2851, and from there a level of $2833. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Again, the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.